Hey, good morning, gang, and welcome to Bald Eagle Fishing Adventures. And holy moly, do we have a day for you guys set. I mean, today is the day that you're going to want to watch because you don't know what can happen. We don't know what's going to happen. We're going to be going after the very first bluefin trip for 2023 out of Bodega Bay. It's a gorgeous September 16th, I believe, morning here, Saturday morning. We're getting out of here at dark 30, and we're going to go on the hunt to kill one of them big old blues. Like I mentioned before, consolation prize, we'll just hit Rittenburg, and oh darn, big rockfish, big lings. It's going to be a blast. So no matter what, you got to stick with us, see what we put on board. I got two awesome dudes fishing with me today. One of them, actually, you guys both, you all know both of them. But one of them has been with me before on a few videos. We've known each other since we were kids. Mr. Craig, come on over here and meet the world. Welcome aboard, babe.
All right, man.
Hey, we're going to have a good time today. And then the next guy coming with us is Mr. Javier. West Shore Fishing is in the house, guys. Welcome aboard, man.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, look, hey, we're gonna put some meat on the decks today, are we?
Yeah, really excited to get out there and do my first bluefin tuna fishing. So yeah, hopefully we get some today.
Awesome, man. It's going to be a great
excited.
trip, babe. It's going to be a great trip. Hey, you guys, it's going to be smoking. So go get one of them, adult beverage things, some salty snackies, sit back and enjoy the video. It's going to be a blast. We'll see you guys out at the fishing grounds. Bye. All right.
There's a seal laying on his back. There's all fins of his hair. For tomorrow for sure.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, babe. That's a fact.
I have a date with my chair tomorrow.
What's that?
I got a little date to watch football in my chair tomorrow.
That a boy. Now we're talking.
a big red.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that's a monster.
Is that a ling?
Oh, a nice seal too. Get out of here!
Nice, this thing.
Oh yeah, boccaccio. Bring that on
There's a big
board.
seal.
Here, let me grab that. Let me grab that.
Oh, that's a monster.
Oh my God! Whoa, you guys! Look what Javier just put on board. Woo!
Wait.
That is the biggest one I've seen yet. This thing is an absolute beast of a boccaccio.
No way.
Way to go, brother!
First one ever caught in my life. So.
Nice, man. That's beautiful. You want to go ahead and take him?
Yeah.
All yours, baby. Good job, man. That is a beast.
Dang.
That is a beast of a fish.
I thought it was a ling at first.
Yeah.
I know, I kinda like that.
Yeah.
I love tugging.
I don't really want to break them up with the seals.
Oh, you know what? They're always going to be around. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I got one too.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Right on, Craigie. Oh, yeah.
Line it over.
Yeah, sling them on over, babe.
Oh, another nice one.
That's awesome, man. Show the cameras, you guys, as you, well, you can show that one I already showed, but if you want to show it again, help yourself. And Craigie, you can show yours. See where exactly.
Bengali, copy. Are you on here?
Oh yeah, I know right where we're at. Okay, good. Beautiful. Yep. Yeah, probably.
Here we go.
Woohoo! Nice.
Twins.
Twinsies.
Yeah.
I know why yours is full of line now. It's big.
Twinsies, twinsies. Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Dude, that is a nice fish, brother. Whoa!
Yeah.
Look at the size of this thing. Look what Javier just put on board, guys. Woo! Big old ling. Holy moly. There you go, brother. Yeah, boy.
Might be a PB right there.
That is a beauty, man. That's a beauty. We put that on the board. Well, if there's one ling, then there's more.
Maybe a nice one.
Okay, I'm coming over.
Nice. This one. Probably a ling. Yeah, come on. I'm on it.
Oh, another nice fish, man. Beautiful Lingcod. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah, baby. I'll have you show that to the cameras. Thanks, man. Good job.
What a nice beast, guys.
That is a beast. Woo. Yeah. Awesome.
Heck yeah.
Oh, and they went after the.
Yeah, I switched up.
Yeah. I think I might have to throw one of those on.
It's the glow in the dark one.
Yeah, I got one of them. That's awesome, man. Right on Javier, man.
Hold that down.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Look at you. All right. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there we are.
Another nice ling, guys. Another fatty.
That is a nice one.
How much was the other one? 33?
33.
Yeah, this one's 30.
Nice. Man. Beautiful, babe. That's awesome. Congratulations, brother.
I already hit it.
Woo!
There was a hole there.
Yeah, I know, that's what I saw.
They're all, that one in rather easy.
If they go absolutely, I gotta bring this fish up. We're gonna probably have to cut the line. It's a mess. What you got there, bud? Oh shit, that's a huge canary. Yank it all around. This is a line. So when it gets closer, I'm going to need one of you to come over and take the pole.
Okay.
And then bring me.
The guy?
Yeah, I have a gaff over here too, but that other one is ready to go. So
All right.
I'll let you know when it gets closer.
Okay.
Either that or it's a big boccaccio, but
Is it fighting?
What's that?
Is it fighting on the
Still
way?
fighting. Yeah. All right, I would go ahead and get ready. Whoever wants to do it.
I'll do it. Or you want to do it? I can do it. What?
Okay, so I'm going to give you the pole.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and keep reeling, or you go ahead and keep reeling. And, put the gaff on him. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a big boccaccio.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good deal.
You're gonna get. Oh, it's very good.
Yeah, it's just. Thank you, sir. Felt bigger than that, but that's a nice boccaccio.
All right.
I'll take that all day long. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Boccaccio, boccaccio. Hey gang, wow, what a day we had, man. Beautiful, awesome fish. Just a great day out there. Javier, pleasure having you on board, brother.
Thank you for having me.
West Shore Fishing. Check out his channel and subscribe. The guy is awesome, awesome. He's a beast of a fisherman, as you can tell. And my buddy Craig, we always slay him. So unfortunately for Craig and I, no lingcod today, but you know what? We had a blast out there, and we did get full limits of rockfish all across. And Javier, he got his limit of lingcod as well. So big lings too. Anyways, I mean, look at the size of these fish. They're just amazing. All right, gang. Well, hey, till next time. Love all of you. Appreciate it. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. We'll hit you on the next trip out. All right, gang. See ya. Bye.